Here's a 2018 Ram 1500. It offers legendary hauling and towing capability, sophisticated comfort with work-ready durability. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Ram gets the job done. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.